surprising this kid. His name is Sean, and he really likes cars. He is nonverbal, meaning that he can't talk. We're doing this giant car parade. Well, there's probably about 30 cars here.
A 14-year-old son with special needs, and he's like, hey, it'd be really cool if you could just come by, show my son, just do a drive-by real quick so he can see the car. It's like, awesome. Sent the note out to you guys, and it's really cool to see the response. And I think the mom also reached out to Hunter separately, so this would be a neat thing for him, neat thing for you guys to be part of.
Is your name Sean?
Sean.
Your name's Sean? We're here for you.
Say hi.
Okay.
Say thank you, guys.
You like cars?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
This is for you.
Wow, Shawnee, look at this